Leeds International School. Children, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson in your Buddhism book, Primary Tree Buddhism, first term. Buddhist Way of Life, Chapter 4. May we receive the blessing of the Noble Triple Gem. Scheme of work reference 8 to 10. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will learn about what is a shrine room, the correct way we are going to worship the Buddha with gathas, the meaning of Pasanga worship, what are the noble triple gem, what are the 5 precepts. It was the evening when grandmother started plucking flowers in our garden. She has plucked some saman pitch, roses, araliya and eat the flowers too. Ransara, let us go to worship Buddha. She called me. I joined her. Okay children, now tell me what kind of flowers can we offer to the Buddha? Saman pitch, roses, araliya and eat the flowers too. We have a small shrine room in our home. There is a Buddha statue too. We lit the oil lamp, offered the flowers and lit up the incense sticks, which gave a very nice fragrance that spread all over the room. What is a shrine room? This is the place where you worship the Buddha. The place has to be very calm and clean. Now tell me children, the way how do you arrange the shrine room before worshipping the Buddha? We have to tidy the place, sweep the floor and keep everything neat and tidy. Grandmother called all others to join her and we all sat near her. Grandmother held both her hands on her forehead and said sadhu sadhu. Now tell me children, where do you want to sit when you are worshipping the Buddha? We want to sit down on the floor. We should worship the Buddha bending down with our forehead down on the floor together with the hands and knees touching the floor. This is known as Pasanga worship. Otherwise, when we worshiping the Buddha, we have to take the both hands together and keep on the forehead. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now tell me children, the way you want to worship the Buddha and what is the meaning of Pasanga worship? We should worship the Buddha bending down with forehead down on the floor together with the hands and knees touching the floor. That is known as Pasanga worship. She repeated the Namaskara in 3 times and we repeated the same and observed Panse. We all repeated all the gathas together and offered gilampas, flowers and sweet to the Buddha. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now we will see how do we all repeat the gathas together and offering gilampas, flowers and sweet to the Buddha. There is a certain order in chanting the gathas. Namaskara. Namo tassa bhagavato arhato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arhato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arhato samma sambuddhassa. Taking refuge in the triple gem. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dhammang saranang gacchami. Sanghang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Observing 5 precepts. පානාතිපාතා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි. අදින්නාදානා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි. කාමේසු මිච්ඡාචාරා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි. මුසාවාදා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි. සුරාමේරය මජ්ජපමා දට්ඨානා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි. Worshipping the Buddha. ඉතිපිසෝ භගවා අරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්ධෝ විජ්ජාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදු අනුත්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සත්තා දේව මනුස්සානම් බුද්ධෝ භගවාති. Worshipping the Dhamma. ස්වාක්ඛාතෝ භගවතා ධම්මෝ සම්දිට්ඨිකෝ අකාලිකෝ ඒහිපස්සිකෝ ඕපනයිකෝ පච්චත්තං වේදිතබ්බෝ විඤ්ඤෝ හීති. Worshipping the Sangha. සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ උජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුග්ගලා ඒස භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණේයෝ අනුත්තරං පුඤ්ඤක්කෙත්තං ලෝකසාති. Worshipping the Chaitya. Vandami Chaityan sabbang sabbatane suparitikang sharirika dhatu mahabodhi buddha rupam sakalam sada. Worshipping the Bodhi. Yasa mule nisinnova sabbari vijayannaka patto sabbanyutam saddha vandetam bodhi padapang. Offering enlightening oil lamps. Ganasarapadittena deepena samdanthina Tilogadipan sambuddham pujayami tamonudang. Offering the sweet scented joss sticks. Sugandhikaya vadanang ananta gunagandhina sugandhina hangandena pujayami tathagatang. Offering flowers. Vannagandha gunopetang etang kusuma santasing pujayami munindassa siripada saroruhe. Offering gilampasa. අදිවාසේතුනෝ බන්තේ ගිලාන පච්චයන් ඉමං අනුකම්පං උපාදාය පතිගන්හාතු මුත්තමං. සාදු සාදු සාදු. Now we have to start our meditation, but before that calm ourselves from the inside. Forget everything in the surrounding and in the mind. Now think thus: may I be well. May I be healthy. May I be cured well and happy. May I be cured well and happy. May I be cured well and happy. Now tell me, children, what is the meaning of meditation? Calm ourselves from the inside, forget everything in the surrounding and in the mind too. We have a small shrine room in our home. There is a Buddha statue too. We lit the oil lamp, offered the flowers and lit up the incense sticks, which gave a very nice fragrance that spread all over the room. What is a shrine? Learn this. Let me worship the Buddha. Let me worship the Dhamma. Let me worship the Sangha. Together, I worship the triple gem Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Now tell me, children, what are the triple gem? These are Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. I will abstain from killing. I will abstain from stealing. I will abstain from bad behavior. I will abstain from talking lies and taking liquor. This is the way I observe oneself. May the triple gem bless me with all. Now tell me, children, what are the 5 precepts? I will abstain from killing animals. I will abstain from stealing. I will abstain from bad behavior. I will abstain from talking lies and taking liquor. I think you have gained a good knowledge about this lesson. All of you want to worship the Buddha daily in the morning and in the evening too. So, you will develop yourselves every day. Thank you. Goodbye, children.